Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the beautiful JW Marriott here in Phoenix, Arizona. And I have the pleasure of being joined by Tamara Weaver from Modern Niagara, who has won the Canadian Safety Hours Award. Tamara, thanks for taking a moment to join me.
Thank you for having me.
First off, congratulations on the award. Modern Niagara has kind of set a high standard for safety, not only in Canada, but throughout SMACNA. What does that kind of mean to your firm?
So we strive for a safety first culture and safety mentality. So we love looking forward, recruiting new members to our team, young and new tradespeople, female and both male, and then be able to train them on all levels of our employees to show how we take safety first. We want them to think about safety as soon as they step onto a job site, in the office or in the shops, and be able to go home to their families at the end of every day. Being able to partake in these safety awards is a passion for us. It shows truly how much we strive for the safety culture. And then we can showcase those awards. Getting future work, bidding on work, we're able to showcase these awards in our offices throughout the country. And then it allows us to get more work and just shows how well and robust we have that safety program.
I want to go a little more in depth on your culture. Tell me about some of the specific initiatives that Modern Niagara engages in and how they kind of translate to building that very positive safety culture.
Yeah, so some of the initiatives, the most recent one is digitizing a lot of our software, which is just making it more accessible for all levels of employees, not just, say, management that have access to the laptops or the computers, but making sure the field staff, our first-year apprentices, our journey people down in the field, they have access to all our programs, all the training needs that they might need, safety procedures, and then they'll be able to know who they can call, where they can go find these resources, and then be able to put their hand up for help and say, hey, I need some help, not sure about this. And then we can get the right people in place to coach them through those tasks or have those one-on-one meetings or the group safety setting meetings to voice their concerns, but also make sure they get addressed at the end of the day, and then they can proceed with their tasks.
It seems like safety is a very kind of personal affair. Like, it's not just like this great policy that's just kind of put out on a sign somewhere. It seems like there's a lot of one-on-one engagement between management and employees, which that's kind of a big thing that SMACNA really kind of preaches on, is that engaged between management and employees.
Yes, no, we all take it very seriously. Myself being a safety manager as well, it is a passion for me. I love to help people specifically. And same with the company. We have all the resources, the staff, the people, the tools, the equipment, you name it. And it shows a lot when the workers are comfortable coming forward and asking those questions, where back then you didn't see that a lot, where the workers might hold back or be afraid to speak up. Where the culture we have, doesn't matter what the question is, what the concern is, they'll speak up, they'll raise their hand, and we'll be able to get those concerns addressed. And then just taking the time out to have those conversations on a day-to-day basis with the workers, the supervisors, the management team out in the field, just to figure out what's going on, what's new out there, any new tools, new ways of doing things, and making sure we communicate that out to the rest of the country and the rest of the teams as well.
Excellent. And finally, how does working with SMACNA benefit your safety culture? What are some of the kind of the nice resources that you can draw from?
So SMACNA has been a big part of with Modern Niagara as well. Tons of different resources on the website, the charities that go through, the events that go through, sheet metal being a big part of our industry. We work hand in hand with the unions, the SMACNA reps, the local chapter execs across Canada, because we're from Vancouver all the way out to Toronto and Ottawa, branching out into Quebec now as well. So between all of that, the company, SMACNA, and the unions, we can pull together even bigger pool of resources for what we might need out there.
Well, that's excellent. Even though we're on different sides of the Battle of Alberta, Tamara, it's been a wonderful, wonderful moment speaking to you. Thank you for sharing this wonderful insight, and congratulations once again on Modern Niagara's well-deserved recognition.
Thank you very much. We're very excited and very honored to be a recipient of the award again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.